Today I'm going to talk about what is hosting and types of hosting. And you got to understand what is hosting and the types of hosting to choose the right plan for your need. If you choose the right plan, then you can save a lot of money and save a lot of time also. If you're not familiar with particular type of hosting, you will end up wasting a lot of time working on that. So, what is hosting and types of hosting? Hosting is a place on the internet where you have your website, and this website is available to the rest of the world all the time. It's it's measured, and the term used is uptime. So these websites are on servers, and these servers are in data centers, and these servers are available 24 bar 7 into 365 days through an internet connection to the rest of the world. So what is a data center? Data center is a specially built up place where the temperatures are kept really low because the servers tend to get heated a lot, because these servers have a lot of processors and hard disks and a lot of electronic stuff which produce a lot of heat. Okay, so this is how a server normally looks, and this actually there are many types of servers. This is called a rack server, and this particular model is built by Dell. So servers, as I told you, servers are powerful computers which have a lot of RAM and hard drive and all that. Some of the servers have more than one processor, so they tend to be, you know, to take a lot of loads. And the servers, you can remove the hard drive even when the server is on and it's working. So servers tend to be lasting longer as they're built with the latest technology and all that. Okay, so now let's see what are the types of hosting. There are three types of hosting which are used normally by individuals and businesses. That is shared hosting, virtual private servers, also called as VPS, and dedicated servers. So what's a shared hosting? In a shared hosting, actually there'll be a big server. There'll be a server with one IP and many websites, and these websites belong to many customers. It can be thousands of websites in one particular server. So to speak, generally speaking, the resources of the server are divided among the customers. It might not be equally. It might be whenever there's a demand, whenever there's a visitor, the website is shown to the customer and the server works on it. And what's a virtual private server? Virtual private server is a type of technology where the resources of the server is divided, maybe equally, may not be equally, depending on the virtualization technology used. So each VPS will have at least one individual IP of itself, for itself, sorry, one or more, and each VPS can serve more than one website. And each VPS will belong to one customer, and this customer can have a lot of websites inside that VPS. So there are a lot of VPSs in a server, and each VPS can serve one or more website. So it's for someone who needs the best part is like these VPSs you can install any software you want, but in a shared hosting thing you can't install your own software, like your own web server or something. What is already there given by the company which you have bought the shared hosting from. But in a VPS you can install any web server, any database you want, anything. So let's see what's dedicated server. a whole server in this kind of setup, the whole server belongs to one customer and he owns all the resources. He can have any number of IPs, he can create his own VPS or his own shared hosting. Everything is left to him. So, who, which one you have to choose? If you're a newbie, just started out hosting and you don't understand how hosting works, then go for a shared hosting plan. Why is it? Because in a shared hosting plan, you have a software called Control Panel, which is normally called as, normally is like cPanel, which you can control all your resources, all your websites, and everything through one software, which is available through the company which is providing you the shared hosting. Wha- Uh, VPS. A VPS generally costs more than a shared hosting plan, but in this you can install your own software, whatever you need, according to your needs, through the command line. It's like a terminal. You have a terminal on your computer, and you have to type in the commands and work on it. Even a dedicated server actually works like that. So it's kind of complicated. If you're a newbie, just go for a shared hosting plan. In the next thing, I'll be talking about cPanel and how it works. Okay, see you.